Hello and welcome to Wealth Masters Money and Power Club's 5K Weekends. My name is Cashmere Rich. I am the creator of the 5K Weekend and the president of the Money Power Club Chicago. Right now, guys, I want to share with you this great opportunity that we've created for our team members to grow their income. Now, this program is designed to run Friday through Sunday. That means the rest of the week, you have an opportunity to bring in others. Now, let's get started. Go to a quiet place where you can sit back and relax and gather all of this information that I'm about to share with you. All right, here we go. Stop right there. If you're someone that does not wish to talk to others or recruit, please leave this website right now. If you do not want to recruit, you don't want to talk to people, this isn't for you. This is people that understand that money is usually attached to others, and we want to get you over here and get you earning, but you must recruit in order to do this. If you're somebody that do not like recruiting or sharing opportunities with other people, that's not a problem. I just want to thank you for your time. Thank you for stopping by, and you can leave right now. But for others, those that understand that recruiting is the key to success, I welcome you to Wealth Masters. Now, this is a serious opportunity for serious business-minded people only. If you're ready to earn over $5,000 this upcoming weekend, it is time to take the necessary steps to make it happen. This fast-paced money can only be obtained by those who see the vision and take action by the Friday of each week. You may think that earning over $5,000 in 3 days is impossible, but once you are plugged into our unique system, you will know this opportunity is 100% real. A one-time investment of only $110, along with the recruitment of 5 friends or family members, will prove to be a life-changing investment. Wealth Masters has created a premier marketing system to help you become financially free, guys. That's amazing. By simply following our roadmap to success, you will have the ability to deposit nonstop $100, $250, and of course $1,000 in Bitcoin payments directly into your account over and over and of course over again. Let's look at our compensation plan and our daily workout. Okay. We have a 3-day payout level, right? We kick off on Fridays, which is also called our kickoff Fridays, cash out Saturdays, and our rack up Sundays. Kickoff Fridays begin at 12 noon Central Time and ends at 11:59 p.m., right before midnight hits for Saturday, okay? Now, our cash out Saturday begins at 12 a.m., which means bleeding out of Friday into Saturday. We kick off our cash out Saturdays. It ends at 11:59 p.m., right before we go into our rack up Sundays. Rack up Sundays begin at 12 a.m. Central Time and ends at 8 p.m. Central Time on that Sunday. Now, we have $100 level, which is our Friday. We have the $250 level, which is our Saturday. And, of course, our powerful $1,000 level, which ends up the program on Sunday. This is amazing, guys. Now, when you see the word only, let me explain that to you. This only represents that you're only able to collect payments of $100, which is the entry level for Fridays, right? That's our kickoff day. You're only able to collect entry level payments of $100 on Friday between 12 noon Central Time and 11:59 Central Time. So that means that you have 12 hours here, guys, to bring in all of your new members. Looking at Saturday, you're only able to collect the $250 payments, right? Coming in midnight all the way up until midnight going into Sunday. So you have 24 hours on Saturday to collect your payments. Now let's look at our Sunday. Sunday kicks off same way with Saturday bleeding into Sunday, right, at 12 a.m. Central Time. But we end now at 8 p.m. Central. It's all said. It's all done. The system shuts down and will not be open anymore until next Friday. Now, on Sundays, you're only able to collect the $1,000 level payments, which means that is going to help you to reach that $5,000 mark based upon the people that you're sharing this opportunity with and bringing it to this great opportunity. Now, let's look at our pay structure. At the top, moving from the left to the right, we have the investment levels, the daily entry fee, the affiliates. These are the people that you're bringing in, the income from each one of these affiliates, the reinvestments, and of course, the spillover. Now, the spillover is the most important part because this is your spendable cash, okay? Now, once again, moving from the left to the right at structuring the program, this is how it works. At the $100 level with you coming in, you're paying your $110, right? $10 administrative fee, which is a one-time fee, and the $100 payment that you're going to give to your sponsor for your entry on Friday, and you bringing in 5 individuals, totals out to $500 earned. Let me run back through that again. Once you bring in 5 people at the $100 level, once you're in, that's going to total $500. Now, from the $500, when Friday ends and you're going into Saturday, you're going to send a $250 payment to your sponsor From the $500 based upon subtraction, that's only going to leave you $250 of spendable cash. But that is amazing because remember, you only came in with $100, right? 110. You're already at a $250 profit in less than 24 hours. Now, moving into Saturday, you've already purchased in at your $250 and now have passed your link to your 5 people that's going to duplicate your efforts because duplication is the key. When your people pay you at $250 each, that math tells us that that's a total of $1,250. Once again, once your 5 people pay you at $250, that multiplication tells us that that is $1,250. From the $1,250, you're going to wait until Sunday comes. When that clock changes and you go into Sunday, you're going to send your sponsor $1,000 of that $1,250. From the $1,250, you subtract the $1,000 leaves you $250. Look, in 2 days, you've already made $500. This could be less than 24 hours based on how fast you get in on Saturday, right? Now, let's close it out on Sunday. On Sunday, this is our shutdown. This is when you're going to get all of your payments in from your people, your big payments, which is going to bring you to that $5,000. Now, you paid your $1,000 to go into Sunday. Your 5 people are going to duplicate your efforts because duplication is the key. When your people duplicate your efforts at $1,000 each, the 5 people, that's going to total a $5,000 payout to you. That is $5,000, guys, is going to be paid to you on Sunday based upon your 5 people completing their mission of giving you $1,000 each. Now, if you notice here, you see the 0, 0. This tells us that there is nothing else to invest because you own all of the days. You own the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The reason you cannot use the same people over and over again is because these are products attached to these days. No one will be required to purchase the same product over and over again. So what that means is on Sunday, there's nothing else for you to purchase. So that means you earn $5,000 on Sunday. Now, when you total that up with your 2 previous days, $5,500 earned. Now, imagine this, guys. The only thing that you did was came into the program for 110. You shared this opportunity with 5 others. This doesn't take a lot of recruiting and a whole lot of talk. It's just simply asking people, hey, how would you like to make $5,000 next weekend? Do you know 5 other people that want to make $5,000? I guarantee you that most people do not have to do a whole lot of Facebook recruiting and posting. The only thing that they got to do is either send someone a message or go into their cell phones and just find 5 people that they know could use $5,000 plus this weekend. That's how easy this thing is, guys. Now, let's do a layman term breakdown of this. This is your sponsor. This is you. You're going to pay your $10 administrative fee, and you're going to send your sponsor $100. What you're going to do at that particular point, just like you're one of your sponsors 5, you're going to go bring in your 5. When you bring in your 5, that's each one of your 5 on Friday, because you can only accept the $100 payment on Friday, paying you at $100 each. That gives you a total of $500, and from the $500, you're going to wait until Saturday comes in, and you're going to upgrade into the $250 level. Do you see how just by bringing in 5 people, it automatically catapulted you into the next day, which was $250? The same is going to happen with them. Let's look at them. Let's look at your team. Once each one of your team members bring in their 5, look at that. Each one of them has their 5. What's going to happen is they're going to each receive $500 from theirs, right? Once they receive their $500, it's going to automatically catapult them into the $250 level. That means that by them being catapulted into the $250 level, you have now collected the $1,250 that you needed, right, to pay for your Sunday. So do you see how easy that was? That was super simple, guys. Now, your downline member has earned their $500 each. They've sent you $250 out of that. You have your $1,250 right here. You see yourself down there. You got $250 from each one of them from their $500 earned, right? So now you're up into the next level. Let's look at how that breaks down and what it means. The Sunday 5K finale, after receiving $250 from each of your 5 downline members on Saturday for a total of $1,250, you will upgrade into the $1,000 Sunday level, leaving a $250 profit. That's amazing, guys. Once your 5 duplicate your efforts, you will have a Sunday total of $5,000. When you add Friday and Saturday's totals of $500, you will have earned a grand total of $5,500 in Bitcoin by simply finding 5 people and investing $110. You cannot beat this, guys. The $1,000 weekend setup is simple and effective. Monday through Thursday is used to promote and recruit 5 for your team. You have until Friday, 10 a.m. Central or 10 a.m. Pacific, 11 a.m. Mountain, 12 p.m. Central, 1 p.m. Eastern to have everyone in place, guys. So that means that when it hits 12 noon here Central Time, that's where I am in Chicago. When it hits 12 noon Central Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, we kick off. You're going to be bringing your people in at $100. You have the rest of the day until midnight to get all of your people in, right? When the clock starts, everything is going to flow. You're going to be making money. Each week is of the greatest importance that each member reset from the prior week by bringing in a fresh new 5. I explained that to you. The purpose of having that fresh 5 is because we're selling products and you cannot resell the product to the same person. Super simple, guys. By following our strategy of recruitment and payments, each participant of the $5,000 weekend will receive set payments for 3 days straight. Guys, that is amazing. So once again, man, I just want to welcome you guys to Wealth Masters Money Power Club's 5K weekend. Take your time, get into this, start building up your people, get your people up in here. 5 people, have them set and ready to go. Do not wait until Wednesday or Thursday. Start bringing in your 5 people, sharing this great opportunity with them, giving them an opportunity just like you to earn over $5,000 every weekend. What I just showed you guys is just common sense. It's common numbers. Remember, the numbers don't lie. Just look at the numbers, come back, study it yourself. We have this page available to all members. Come in and do the research yourself, and you'll see that it is $5,500 for just doing two things, rather. I'm not going to say one, 2 things. Taking action and joining for $110. The next step is finding 5 people that want $5,000. Once you do that, you're going to successfully have over $5,500. Now, remember, very important to know this. We use the number 5 for illustration purposes only. You could bring 5, 10, 10,000, a million. It doesn't matter how many people that you bring. We only use the number 5 for illustration purposes only. So right now, I want to welcome everybody to Wealth Masters Money and Power Club's 5K weekend. I'm your host and your guy. I'm your mentor here, Cashmere Rich, and I welcome you to my great program. You have a great day.